So if you are on the fence about joining this group, so was I. I thought that postpartum was, the first couple of weeks after you give birth. And then after that, you're like, off you go. And that's just not the case. I emailed Dina. I said, I'm really interested, but my baby's already like 5 months. Is that okay? And she was like, yes, of course. I've had women do it 8 months in, and it's however you need it to be. And it was such a silly thing that I thought postpartum had an end date. It doesn't. Just do it. If there's even a thought in your head that maybe you could rely on someone to help you with anything at all, no topic is off grounds. Do it. There's something you're going to get from it, and it might not be everything that I'm saying here, but I think that's also the powerful thing about it, is that everyone has their own takeaways that are going to be formulated into their daily lives.